We've travelled far and wide to show you what's inside the local charity shops. Oh, I was in need of a frame. Some absolutely stunning pieces for the home in this shop. And everything at ridiculously low prices. Hello there. £1.50 fish. Ooh, what's this for? Hello ladies. Love a bargain. Got some really good bargains today, so let's have a look. Got this lovely glassware item that will go unnamed for now. It was £8, saw it in the shop, thought, what on earth is that? I have to have it. I don't know what this is usually used for. If you do know, please comment below. But what I'm going to use this for is to put corks in, because I like to collect corks from bottles of wine that I've rather enjoyed. So yeah, let me know if you have a name for this thing. I'm happy with my bargain buy. Got this lovely piece of interior design. Just put some flowers in it. It was £2 in store and I just like the look of it. I think this will look nice on a bookshelf or perhaps a windowsill. Put some dried flowers in it and I think it looks good. Scored this really cool bag. Might be a good bag if I ever decide to go back to the gym. Brand new with tags from M&S, £35. And I got this new in store in a charity shop for £12.99. So I'm very pleased with that. And even if I never use this, if I keep the tags on it, I could resell for probably closer to £35, or I could give it as a gift to someone. I got this frame that I was actually looking for a frame for this print. The print had been unframed for a number of months and I thought I'm going to start looking for the right size frame. Managed to get one brand new for £3.50 in the charity shop. In the box from IKEA. Usually in IKEA these types of frames are £35 plus. So for £3.50 this was a real bargain. I've actually just stood on it. So this frame is going in the bin, but I'm much happier to be losing out on £3.50 rather than £35 plus. So all in all, I'm happy, but very annoyed at myself right now. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you find any great bargains in your local charity shop, please tell us all about them in the comments below. I'll see you next time. Bye.